This will be the elevators at the Westin Hotel in downtown Dallas. These are cool. Thought these were key carded off first, but only the guest floors are. Shout out to Elevators with ESH. Let's get off at 2.
Floor 2.
We're gonna get off here.